So let's start off with a demonstration. So we're going to be working inside one of the most immaculate systems for working with Stable Diffusion. That's Comfy UI. And what we'll be able to do towards the end, you'll be able to go ahead and choose a file, maybe an iconic image like this, run the prompt, and we're going to be working not so much with prompts this time. We're going to be working with some of the models that allow us to do things like this. Take the image, turn it into a sort of helper file, a depth map in this case, and then we'll be able to evaluate as we greatly increase the size of the output using the prompt. So we can see it's getting larger and larger, and we're going to be able to evaluate different methods of enlarging images. So here we have an original iconic image. We've extracted some key details from the image, and then we've gone ahead and increased the size of the image once, and we're going to increase the size of the image again to an even larger scale, and then we're going to be evaluating other methods of enlarging the image. Now all of this happens in the space of the amount of time it will take to make a cup of coffee, or even less. And you can see that we can get the kind of images that we might even be able to use in a professional context very quickly, very neatly. Much of the material that we're going to be working with has been out for less than a year, almost all of it. Some of the models have been out for less than a week. So this is all very up to date, very modern, and Comfy UI itself has shown itself to be easily the most powerful and efficient way of working with Stable Diffusion that has so far been devised. You can see that even though the user interface is very sparse, once you get into it, you can create whatever user interface you want. The user interface is in your mind, and you can use this to maximize your exploration of Comfy UI and to maximize your exploration of Stable Diffusion and to maximize your own creativity. So that's what we're expecting, and you're going to be getting files like this in most of the lectures. So hopefully you're now ready for this. Let's get going.